The beach with friends. Tyler is eating McDonald's. We went to get McDonald's so we can chill on the beach and eat. Baby's there. Baby's friend Nico. And Nico's wife, my girl Miriam, and baby Jojo is chilling. He's living his best life. Say morning, Fav. Say good morning.
Good morning. Good afternoon.
And what's the last one?
Good night.
Look where you're going.
We went to the supermarket.
Yeah. And now you're gonna step off. Look, turn around. Bravo. Oh, as I'm about to talk to you guys, my battery is dying. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys been getting some real no makeup, shine forward face these past few mornings because your girl ain't got time to put on no makeup, do no eyeshadow, do nothing. This morning we're up and we are heading to the supermarket. We have so much things to do today as we didn't finish doing what we have to do yesterday. So we have to do supermarket and go back to finish up that appointment that we had yesterday. And we have some friends coming into town, last minute plans to see us. So we have to reach home back by midday. Tyler, wait for mama. We have to reach home back by midday so that we can receive them at home. I'm stocking up on some things that I have to carry to Jamaica for Tyler. So I'm buying extra things at the supermarket today. Tyler? Oh, the basket, come here. Don't touch. Mama needs to get one to carry, not Skittles. Because we're gonna have lots of lollipop. But how about we get mint? We need to get mint to carry. But which one? We need to get a mint. Like the one we have. TikTok. If I have something to give Tyler when du en petit aussi. Come Tyler, come. You guys, I'm getting travel ready. My previous travel pillow that I had, I threw it in the bin when we were moving because it was the one with the beads and it got mushy. So I threw it away. And I just bought a new one because Tyler already had his own from traveling last year. So we're getting travel ready to go to Jamaica in how many days? Jeez, the sun. In 4 days we'll be off to JA. Ty, every morning Tyler, you're ready to go to Jamaica? Huh? Every morning Tyler say, Mama, I'm ready to go to Jamaica. Wait for me, stop. What did you say? You ready to go to Jamaica? Yes. Come, we're going to the car. You hungry? We soon eat, okay? Hey guys, you guys, we are on the beach with friends. Tyler is eating McDonald's. We went to get McDonald's so we can chill on the beach and eat. Baby's there. Baby's friend Nico. And Nico's wife, my girl Miriam. And baby Jojo is chilling. He's living his best life. Our new baby on the block. So we're gonna eat McDonald's. Yeah. Please. Honey, ketchup for your son. He's getting ready for the Jamaican outdoor life in a few days. Tyler, you're getting ready for the Jamaican life? He said yes. So cute. I love see when he's playing like this. Be careful. My boy's taking a straw. I saw the plane and thought it was the moon. Papa put in the water. Oh, no. I want to sleep. Yes, I want to sleep. The lighting looks good.
You see my face?
What's wrong with your face?
Look at my eyes.
You're tired.
Oh Lord,
We've
I'm
been
more than tired.
I don't cut you, but we've been exhausted every day for the past 2.5 weeks.
Oh yeah, can't. Oh, this vacation was everything.
This is no
except
vacation. I couldn't tell the last time I've been this exhausted.
I struggle to stay awake. I struggle to stay awake right now.
Between moving, trying to have a social life, trying to take care of your family, trying to take care of your husband. It's a lot.
It's hard.
It's hard.
It drain me. Plus, it's hot like crazy outside. It takes all of your energy.
Trying to think about what's going on in Jamaica. How is funeral coming along? It's been super exhausting. But we have some friends here, and it's good to actually take a break from all the moving and all the unpacking and just have a good chat and good laughs and just not worry about unpacking for once. Don't it?
Yeah, that feels always good to have visitor. It doesn't matter how long, it always feels good, and you can just take care of them, and in the same time you take care of them, you take care of yourself. You're going to place that you won't have gone if people are not here. It's like if you force yourself to do some things else than resting or stuff at home, like you force yourself to go out, and most of the time it's good because when you look back you say, okay, I enjoy this moment, I like this moment. And yeah, that's the feeling that we have tonight. We went picnic in the beach, in the sand. That was very good. That was very good.
Yeah, and to have them here at times like this means much. It take us away a little bit, you know. So that's kind of good. Anyway, you guys, everybody's getting all fresh from the beach and heading to bed because we're all so tired. Tell us I'm off to bed, and tomorrow is gonna be yet another no rest day. Into next week it will get a little bit better because I'm off to Jamaica, and babe will just be home waiting for us to return from our trip. So at least babe will get to breathe a little bit, because I don't really want him to unpack without me, because we enjoy doing those little things
we almost
together.
unpack everything now. We just have to wait for
or closet.
Yeah, for the closet and little things like this. So we don't. I don't really have. Even if you were here, we don't really have much things to do together right now.
Well, it may not look like much, but it's much to me. It's much to me. Yeah, but we're just going to go ahead and end the vlog here. End the vlog here for today, because tomorrow is gonna be another super long day. So thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new. I'm sorry you guys not getting any expression tonight, but no worries, we love you guys enough. If it's your first time watching, subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.